unexpected intrusions of beauty. This is what life is. Life is abundant and life is beautiful, and it's a good place that we're all in, on this earth, if we take care of it. Being in love with life is a key to eternal youth. Peace is the beauty of life, it is sunshine, it is the smile of a child, the love of a mother, the joy of a father, the togetherness of a family, it is the advancement of man, the victory of a just cause, the triumph of truth. Dwell on the beauty of life, watch the stars, and see yourself running with them. To be creative, means to be in love with life. You can be creative only if you love life enough that you want to enhance its beauty, you want to bring a little more music to it, a little more poetry to it, a little more dance to it. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Life was meant to be lived, and curiosity must be kept alive. One must never, for whatever reason, turn his back on life. True friendship multiplies the good in life and divides its evils. Keep your head high, keep your chin up, and most importantly, keep smiling, because life's a beautiful thing and there's so much to smile about. Life, once you become accustomed to life, you will see its full meaning and its incredible beauty.